Hi friends, today I will give the full review of the Bliss. Bliss, the price increases every 60 minutes. This is a real price increase. If you come back later, you will pay more. Tap into this $374 billion industry. One click software instantly creates with your own Udemy like e-learning sites with 100 hot selling video courses across 50 niches ready to get you traffic and sales in 60 seconds. Even if you are new with zero invest technical skills, start your own profitable e-learning platform in just one click. You can get commissions easily with no marketing knowledge, no website hosting required. Pick from 100 hot selling courses across the top 50 trending niches, compatible with top video conferencing software that is Zoom, Google Meet, and Jitsi. Built-in marketplace with 24/7 support to earn the top dollar for every course enrollment. Video and banner ad selling for extra mileage and commission. User rewarding using customizable gamification badges for maximum customer satisfaction. 0% effort and skill requirement. 100% returns and profits. Free gift. First 120 buyers will also get our best-selling Unfair Advantage edition worth $2,997. Average beta testers doubled their sales. You are in luck. Bliss can be yours at $17 during our welcome offer. Click here for instant access to Bliss. I have lot of bonuses if you buy the product from my link given in description box and send me the screenshot of your purchase on my Instagram. And over there I will give you the bonus absolutely free. Grab Bliss and save $97 now. Today only one time $17. Hurry, act now. Click here for instant access to Bliss. Start selling and making money in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, make your account. Once you hit buy now, you can instantly log in and get started. Pro tip: select your future best-selling site's name before you finish reading this page. Step 2, pick your niche. Simply select the niche of your choice from our hot selling 50 niche options. Step 3, collect your profit. Your fully loaded powerful e-learning website comprising trending courses, a built-in marketplace, and 24/7 customer support is ready. So sit back and count your fat commissions. Free gift for first 120 buyers. Also get our best-selling Unfair Advantage edition worth $2,997. Average beta tester doubled their sales. Grab Bliss now and save $97. If I have lot of bonuses if you buy the product from my link given in description box and send me the screenshot of your purchase on my Instagram, and over there I will give you the bonus absolutely free. Today only one time $17. Hurry up and act now. Click here for instant access to Bliss. Bliss is the hope at the end of the tunnel for everyone in the pandemic-struck world. Take a look at John, Omar, and Elliot Ernst. At just 27-year-old, the pair joined forces to create an online courses on iOS 7 app development. They took 3 months and about $1,000 to make it. They put an email with the course for $89 and quickly brought in a cool $7 lakh. $2 lakh in revenue from just one course. Or what about Rob Percival, whose programming courses have earned him more than $1 million in less than a year? His 30-hour course on coding and web development took about 3 months to created it, placed a price tag of $199 and got 4,000 students to sign up with over $2 lakh revenue from just one course. Percival was a former high school teacher. He was probably making a tiny fraction of this at this day job before. Then all of a sudden he is pulling $1 million a year, all from just one course. If he can do so, you can also. $8,856 in just 30 days. Sam Cave As a professional videographer, I have lot of content scattered online. Obviously video creation doesn't sound new to me, but I always had to pay someone to help me market my courses, which was in four figures. The result was not very impressive. Luckily for me, I beta tested Bliss, uploaded my courses myself, and had everything ready in less than 2 days against the 2 weeks it took for my freelancer to set up a crappy page for my video training. In less than 30 days, I sold over $8,856. It's funny because I made this number in almost 3 months. Had to do a poll, find out why. The results showed that Bliss was for more responsible, user friendly than my previous platform. So yeah, I will recommend Bliss to anyone. See it for yourself. Bliss gives you 100 plus ready to profit course modules from access across 50 hot selling niches, so you can plug profit. Here is a sneak peek of school programs: yoga, DIY makeup kit tips, weight training, digital marketing, dance, gardening, photography, accounting, social media, freelancing, SEO, graphic design, e-commerce, and so much more. You don't need to just stick to a particular niche. Here is your chance to become the jack of all trades and master them too. Free gift for first 120 buyers. Also get our best selling unfair advantage edition worth $2,997. Average beta testers doubled their sales. Grab Bliss now and save $97 today, only one time $17. Hurry, act now. Click here for instant access to Bliss. I have a lot of bonuses if you buy the product from my link given in description box and send me the screenshot of your purchase on my Instagram, and over there I will give you the bonus absolutely free. So what are you waiting for? Grab it now.